Yeah, I don't know. I can tell. Yeah, like I can tell what you're wondering. Like, yeah, when do I feel most in touch with human nature? I think when a speck of my spit hits the face of a person I'm talking to, and then they wipe it off, and then we both pretend not to notice. Only humans make things more awkward so nobody gets embarrassed. I'm a very polite person, however, I happen to rarely say, "I'm sorry, did I spit on your face?" Instead, I expect them to quietly wipe off my saliva like a slave to the social code by which I am also bound. And one time, I was talking to this guy who was eating peanuts and a morsel hit my bottom lip, and what did I do? Nothing. Listen, I'm at the top of the food chain, like, I don't have to hunt if it's on my face, so